naman yan si Mike Cortez. Back to the basket shot! Mike Cortez, nakita niya si Don Alviano waiting in ambush, and Cortez using his creativity and imagination.
So number 2. So Williams naman ang susugod. The Ninja, sidestepping move. Oh, hands up! Oh, from the confidence that he gained from that Hail Mary shot, Joseph the Ninja Yo, showing everyone why we call him the Ninja with that acrobatic shot.
The Yo Show.
Yo! Yes, yes, yo! Just like that. Aksa number 1.
Outside, Reba. Here's Baguio. Baguio on the move. Slices through. Oh, magical shot! Here we go again. The Cyrus Baguio. 1, 2, 3 defenders. Take a ride on my magic carpet, sir. Skyros Baguio with a magical move, wowing this Big Dome crowd.